In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default view in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Once Excel is open, the next thing you need to do is open the workbook you want to change. This is important because the view setting is something you choose while working inside a specific workbook, so make sure you have the correct file open before moving on. After your workbook is on screen, go to the ribbon at the top of Excel and click the View tab. The View tab is where Excel gives you different ways to look at your worksheet, depending on what kind of work you're doing. If you're entering data, reviewing layout, or preparing something for print, this area helps you switch to the most useful display. Inside the View tab, look for the Workbook Views group. Here, you'll see a few different options you can choose from. The first option is Normal View. This is the standard worksheet view and the one most people use for everyday editing. If you mainly work with rows, columns, formulas, and regular spreadsheet tasks, this is usually the best choice. The next option is Page Layout. This view shows your worksheet more like a printed page. It can help you see margins, headers, footers, and the overall print appearance more clearly. If you're formatting a worksheet that will be printed or shared as a report, this view can be especially helpful. The third option is Page Break Preview. This view displays where page breaks happen when your worksheet prints. It's useful if you want to control how your data is divided across multiple pages. For example, if a table is being split awkwardly when printed, this view helps you with that and adjust it more easily. Simply click the view you want, and Excel will immediately switch to that display. This lets you work in the mode that best fits what you need to do at that moment. If you're not sure which one to use, try each option briefly and see which gives you the clearest layout for your task. And that's how to change the default view in Microsoft Excel. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how comfortably and efficiently you work inside your workbook. Thanks for watching.